Many balalaika players, especially professional musicians, have instruments that are not factory-made but handcrafted by masters. Such balalaikas have very good sound quality and great performance capabilities. The cost of such instruments usually starts from $1,000. I have been playing the balalaika for 4 years, and of course I do not yet have a professional instrument. My first balalaika cost about $50. As the playing level progresses, a poor quality or cheap instrument hinders your development because its performance capabilities simply run out at some point. But I thought, why not try to play a piece at my current level on the balalaika with which my journey began? Let's see how it turned out. I will play the music from Tetris. It is by no means the most difficult piece, but it reflects the capabilities of the instrument quite well. I have already performed this music on my current balalaika, which is slightly better than my first one. You can watch that video and compare the sound of the two instruments. The link will be in the description. And now let's listen to how the balalaika sounds, the main part of which is made up of 90% plastic. It is how I sound today, but I hope one day to play on my dream instrument. If you'd like to support my dream, you can find the link in the description. Thank you for listening.